Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks again for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. I have a very, very exciting video. I'm going to break down a little bit coming off the heels of comments from a former Twitter CEO claiming Ethereum is a security. All right, so we all are got into some of the meme coin frenzy that has came about of recent days and weeks. But now what you're seeing further is Ethereum possibly being threatened as a security, and if this will affect the prices of coins connected with the ERC20, as well as what we're seeing in the crypto markets in a more broader stroke. Okay, so I'm going to put it all together for you guys in this video, break down kind of my thoughts as well. So you're absolutely going to want to stick around and smash that like button. Subscribe here. Consider subscribing if you have not yet joined us here on the channel as well. But let's get down into it, guys. So what we're seeing basically, if we go on to Jack Dorsey's comments, okay, the former CEO of Twitter, and coming down to a comment from June 6th that basically alleging that Ethereum, the world's second largest crypto, is a security under the United States law. All right, so this is what we're seeing basically, and we all know Jack Dorsey with his feelings on Bitcoin and what all he stands for on the side, and how basically owning companies such as Cash App, very much vocal within the technology surrounding Bitcoin with payment processing and whatnot. But we're seeing, Dorsey thinking that Bitcoin can change how money is exchanged, okay? And so it's basically more of a payment processing solution. But furthermore, when we talk about this is going to be what comes down to the battle between, a little bit of a Bitcoin maxi war, all right, and a little bit more on the altcoin side of the game within ERC20, within Ethereum. So, of course, we're going to look at Dorsey to basically claiming the Ethereum and backing the SEC's claim that they are a security. All right, and that's something where we've seen, basically with Gensler during his talks that Ethereum are sold as investments, and that's one of the classifications that would deem something a security versus a commodity. So this is what we are seeing, and we are seeing Ethereum react in indicating that they are very sensitive to these regulatory developments. So when we get these rumors, when we get these announcements, we get these lawsuits, if you will, coming after cryptos that are Ethereum based, this is what we're seeing basically, a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of fear, a little bit of people being hesitant to get on board with some of these projects. And I think you're seeing people flock into stable right now, just kind of protecting themselves as a hedge against, ultimate regulation with here in the United States. Okay. So, because, coming after Binance.us, that is a very serious issue. For those of you that trade in Binance, I'm hearing things that possibly could be, halted, if you will, some of the crypto. So you're going to see a lot of exodus from crypto traders within the United States. And there's a lot of ways around that, obviously, but I'm not going to give advice on that topic. But let's talk about further what is going on, because the other cryptos named in this was Cardano, Algorand, okay, and we saw Ethereum basically, Ethereum based cryptos, a lot of that was sold off, okay? And that is where, you're looking still at 1800s, the 18 to 1900 range for Ethereum. And it's basically, what we've seen since the early start of 2023 is this $2,100 range for Ethereum that we have yet to retrace to. So, whether or not this is related or just kind of, selling the news, if you will, I think that there's a lot of positive sentiment surrounding Ethereum due to the success in 2023. And Ethereum has been doing very well on the heels of this mini meme coin craze, right? That's all transactional volume, guys, that all dumps into Ethereum gas pools. And it's something where, Ethereum's been one of the benefactors of these meme coin pumps, if you will. What we were seeing is some very, very turbulent times. There's going to be a lot of volatility. And I think what you're seeing when we hear about Jack Dorsey talking, and he talks on Twitter, it is a freedom of speech, but we all know where he lies within the Bitcoin technology and how that is going to correlate with the success that Ethereum can have, okay? So that's kind of where I stand with regulations surrounding Ethereum versus Bitcoin versus Dorsey's comments. So let me know down below if you think what he said is warranted. Is Ethereum a security? And I kind of want to spark a debate, because I think when we look at what Ethereum is kind of a catalyst for the projects that are being built on them, and just kind of the discrepancy with viewpoints when we look at Bitcoin versus the rest of crypto versus altcoins. Okay. And I think that's what it comes down to. So it's going to be a very interesting debate moving forward. We're going to have plenty of content along the way with updates, especially during these heavy times of regulation. There's going to be a lot to talk about, guys. So please consider subscribing on your way out. And we will see you all in the next one. Thanks.